ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ यश्चन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽभ्योऽद्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ मेधादेवी जुषमाना न आगाद् विश्वाचे भद्रा सुमनस्यमानां त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहत्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवे त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वद्रविणो न मेधे मेधां मगिन्द्रो ददाति मेधां देवी सरस्वती मे अश्विना बुभावधत्तां पुष्करस्रजाम् अप्सरासु च या मेधा गन्धर्वेषु च यन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषताम् आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्याम् ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधासु प्रतीकायुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मय्यग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयेन्द्र इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. That sutra, what you told, the Chandasam, it comes in Visarga part. After this we will see. It takes some time. We need to go through a lot of sutras. Then we will see that sutra. Visargasya sthane, Rukara Adesha, Akarakha Adesha. Later. First let us do this. After this we will see. Now, starting from here, 8 to 30, Chogho Kuhu. It means Chavarga at the end of the Padam followed by Jal. Remember Padanta Jal. These two are Anuvritti. Jali. Jal means Jali. Seventh follows. So, Padanta Chavarga when followed by Jal will be replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter Yathasankyam Manudesha Samanam. Okay. And keep the Sandhi chart with you. Examples are given. Second one, Hodaha. If it is Padanta Hakara or followed by Jal will be replaced by Dakara. Then if it is Dakaradi Dhatu means Dhatu beginning with Dakara. Right? Ending with what? That is understood. That is the context. Okay. Because ho, ha comes as anuvritti. Dhatu is Dakara, ending with Hakara. Dakaradi Dhatu, Hakaranta Dhatu. Clear? Dakaradi, Hakaranta. Both conditions are there. If that is the case, then at the end of the padam, hakara are followed by jal will be replaced by gakara. Understand these three? We have seen the examples for that. Now, the next one is va. Optionality is given for what? 4 dhatus. Drugha, mugha, shnugha, shnigha. Now, drugha is already dakaradi dhatu, right? Dakaradi dhatu, what adesha it will get? By the previous sutra, you should get gakara. Gakara adesha. Yes, right? So, dakara should not be the adesha. That is what dade dhato gaha. Dade dhato gaha is exception to hodaha. Clear? Yes or no? Dakaradi dhatu will get gakara adesha, exception to hodaha. Clear? But for druga, that is relaxed. Exception. There is no exception for druga. So therefore, druga is dakaradi dhatu, and hakara will be replaced optionally by gakara, means dakara also can come. So 2 forms, right? We saw yesterday that examples. Then mugha, shnugha, shniham, mukh dhatu, shnug dhatu. These are not dakaradi dhatus, but still they get gakara adesha because that comes as anubhuti from the previous sutra. What adesha generally it will get? Mukh, shnug, shnig. Generally dakara by hodaha 8 to 31 dakara adesha. But by this sutra it gets optionally gakara. You understand? So therefore all the 4 dhatus will have 2 forms. That is why put together. Okay. So mukh dhatu. Mukh dhatu already we have seen in the sandhi context, but I will just quickly do that, derive that form, which let's see that mukh dhatu. One dhatu I am taking example. Mukh plus ta pratyaya. What will be the form? Mukh plus ta. Takara will be replaced by? Yeah, this sutra also you need to know on the sandhi chart. You please, all the sutras, not all the sutras, some sutras we need to know beforehand so that it can be applied. Here, yes, 20. Okay, I think we can just read this before we proceed. Okay, I am reading from 30, our sutra number, our number 30. Hakara of the dhatus druk, mukh, shnuk, shnik at the end of the padam or followed by jal will be replaced by gakara optionally, right? We have seen that. Now, the next one is dhatus, vrascha, vrascha, sruja, mruja, yaja, raja, braja. These dhatus. What is the speciality about these dhatus? Kutvam should apply. Yes, that doesn't apply. Why kutvam? Because these are chavarga letter. Chavarganta dhatus. Apavada to kutvam. And the dhatus ending with chakara or shakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal will be replaced by murdanya shakara. This is what we call shattam number 1. Okay. So know this. So we are going to apply this sutra in this sequence. So wherever it is applicable, you have to apply the context. This rule and exception to Kutva Sandhi. Okay. Then Jashta Sandhi. Jashta Sandhi is Padanta Jal will be replaced by corresponding Jash letter. Then number 33. Takara or Takara following the Jash Anta Dhatu. Jash is what? What is Jash? 4th letter of all the classes. Right? Jabhai Ghadadash. 4th letter of the. Which one is replaced now? Takara or Takara will be replaced. Remember, Jash will not, nothing will happen to Jash. Jash is preceding. So Takara, that is a Sani, will be replaced by Dakara. Okay. So now that sutra is applicable here. Mukh plus Ta. That is applicable later. Okay, don't apply now. We cannot jump to 8 to 40. Can you do 8 to 40? Because before that, Dattam is applicable. That is, Hakara will be replaced by that you apply first. That is by the current sutra. What sutra? Va, Druha, Mukha, Shnuga, Shnikam. 8 to? Understand? Yes? By this sutra, which is by this sutra 8 to 33, this is one, and yes, by 8 to 33 Hakara will be replaced by Dakara. Clear? Yes or no? Following? By Dakara now. Gakara also will come, Dakara also will come. I am just applying Utsarga now, Dakara. Two forms will be there. I am deriving one form now. First form you derive. Then we can apply not just form. Replaced by Dakara. That is 8 to 40 here is there. That is Sandhi chart you saw. Huh? Sorry. What is another thing? I didn't get you. Both of them, yes. So you say Hodaha is applied first. Then you derive one form. The next form will be applying this sutra. Va, Durga, Mukha. By that you apply Gakara Adesha. So two forms will be. Now I am deriving the first form. Applying Hodaha. Clear? 8 to 31 I am applying. Already I applied. So Hakara is replaced by Dakara. And by 8 to 40 Takara becomes Dakara. Now, after this what happens? Shtutvam will happen. So that becomes Dakara. Right? Now, Dakara followed by Dakara. If you see the Sandhi chart is given. Dakara when followed by Dakara, what will happen? This Dakara will vanish and the preceding an will become long. So you get Muda. This is one form. This is one form. Okay. So you can write here if you want this applying 8 to 30. There are 31. Yes, 31. 8 to 31 becomes, then it is apply 8 to 40. Right? You get then Shtutta Sandhi and that Sandhi. That we will see later. Okay, that part. First this, up to this you understand. Right? It's clear. Now we are going to apply the second option possibility. If you don't apply this Dattvam, Dakara Adesha, then what will come? Muk plus Ta will become Muk plus Ta. Apply 8 to 33. You get, it becomes Mug. Mug plus Ta. Now what will happen? Mug plus Ta. Again you apply 8 to 40. You apply 8 to 40, that becomes Takara will become replaced by Dakara. Now what rule after that? Gakara, Dakara. Huh? What rule is that? Just one Vidhi number 2. Jal followed by Jash will be replaced by Jash. Just Vidhi number 2. So what form you get? Mugdha. This is another form. So two forms are there. It's clear. This example is given. Yes. Now in the Sandhi chart or miscellaneous rule, I think it is given this example probably. So you will have two forms on the same Muk Dhatu, Mugdha and Muda. Huh? Okay. Example. Okay. Okay. So now understand this. So this example here is to show that application of hodaha 8 to 31, and this example is to show the application of va druha mugha shtoga shnikam 8 to 33. Other rules follow. Tripadi, what are other rules that you keep on applying, and finally you get the form muda and mugda. Our interest is not on these rules now, so that we will see that later. Okay, already we know, we have learned, but rule we will see later. Clear? Yes, ask.
We'll see later, no, because I'm seeing that this that primitive Raswa and became
There.
Dirga is
6.3, which is in Sapa Saptadhi. We have to go there. All except, that is exception. Because that sutra is in there in Sapa Saptadhi, so you have to go there. Why we are to go there? Suppose if we ask, this Dakara followed by Dakara, Repa followed by Repa. This can happen only in Tripadi. This can happen only in Tripadi. And this Dakara, Lopa, and preceding and becoming Dirga, this sutra, it's one sutra really speaking, okay. This is in Sapada Saptadhyaya. Suppose if you don't go back, what is the use of that sutra? It is redundant, it is waste. Panini Maharshi will not write even a letter without any purpose. Because that sutra is there, you have to go back. That we call technically Vachana Samarthyam. Vachana Samarthyat. Vachana Samarthyam means it is there, it has got utility, usage is there, therefore you have to go back. That is why it is. Yes, Repa also, too, yes. That's together is one sutra is there, Repa. Dakara followed by Dakara, Dakara disappears, Repa followed by Repa, Repa disappears, preceding and becomes Dirgha. This Anton just now we saw recently. Yushma bihi rakshatam. Yushma bhi rakshatam. We saw this. We saw in so many places, okay. So anyway, so here the point is, this is not, we are not interested in what rule, and we will see that later. It's going to come. Only here to show this two possibility. Okay. Now then, we'll move forward. Yes. All these sutras, explanation, Sandhi chart and miscellaneous rule, it is there. In Sandhi chart, it is there, this rule. Examples? Okay. That is what it is. Okay. Then yesterday we saw, we read the sutra here, in this. We read the whole thing. Okay. So now we will move on to the next one. We saw this example yesterday. Druk dhatu. Druk dhatu, drugda and druda. I gave the example of now mukh and muda. Both are okay, fine. Two dhatu, in fact, we have seen. Now we will move on to the next one. Next one is nahodaha. It's not so important, but still, why should we leave it? That also will follow. Nahodaha. What is nahodaha? Okay, it's here. Nagaha, what vibhakti? Shashti. Therefore, stani. Daha is adesha. Now, nakh is a dhatu. Remember, nakh is dhatu. You see in the Sutra Pata, you will see Murdhani Nakara. Nakh will be there. Okay. Nakh is a dhatu. We are going to see in the meaning, everything will come here. So, it is what dhatu? In our context. Ending with akara. That is the context. What should be replaced by? Dakara. That is not replaced. Here is specifically given Dakara is a replacement. For this specific dhatu. One dhatu, one rule. Apavada. So, naha, daha. When? Jalipare. Padante. Right? Now, you see the nakh dhatoho antima hakarasya padante jali pare, jali varne va pare, dakaraha adesha bhavati. So, we have seen so far hakara replaced by dakara, hakara replaced by gakara, hakara replaced by dakara. All the three are there. Utsarga is dakara. Apavada dade dhato gaha. And another four dhatus, option is given, two forms possible. And for this particular one dhatu, dakara is the adesha. Clear? Now, nakh bandhane. to tie, to bind, that is the meaning. Nakh. Here, Mudra Nakara. Nakara will be replaced by Dantya Nakara. Dantya Nakara, okay. Dental Nakara means I heard something. Danta Nakara. Nakh bandhane. Okay, meaning. Asya dhatoho अकारस्य स्थाने जलीपरे पदान्ते च होडः इति अनेन डत्व प्राप्ते वर्तमानसूत्रेण अपवादत्वेन दत्वं विधीयते. Clear? By this sutra, in the form of apavada, datvam is ordained, not datvam. Clear? Yes? Yata, upa plus nakh. Upa plus, don't write it, just watch. Upa plus nakh. Nakh iti asya kvip pratyaya krite upanakh ayam akaranta shabdah siddhyati. Upa is what? Upasarga. Nakh plus kvip. Kvip pratyaya is? Huh? Convenient point. Coming and going, okay. Zero pratyaya. Coming and goes, that simply comes and doesn't go. What will happen? What will do? Convert the dhatu to pratipadikam. So, upa plus nag plus kvip, you will get upanag. Not upanag, remember upanag. Why here dirgha happens? Don't worry about that. Is if you go to that sutra, it will go somewhere. Not required. It becomes upanag. That remember. Upanag means sandal, slipper. Okay. It becomes upanag. Now, why this upanag is talked about? I will say. I'll say some other shabda and then come here. Now, we'll come to this later. Now you see, we have seen this shabda. All the shabdas I already have taught you how to derive everything. Everything I have given before. Lik dhatu plus kvip. What do you get? Lik. It's a pratipadikam. Now you decline. Hakarantaha, pullingaha, lik shabdaha. Lik, how you can make it? Madhulik. That's what we saw yesterday, right? Madhu. So, now, what is the Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam? Yeah. Madhu, lik plus su will become Sakara. What will happen to Sakara? Dopa. Madhulik. What is Madhulik? Padam. Padanta Akara will be replaced by Dakara. And after that, Jashtam. Madhulik. We saw this, right? Now, here this is Nakh and it is Upanakh. Okay. Upanakh plus Su. What will happen? Upanakh. Then after that, Dattam. Upanad. This should not be applied. That is why this sutra is. Because this sutra says, because Nakh dhatu is here. If Nakh dhatu, then Hakara will be replaced by Dakara, by this sutra. Understand? Upanad. Then what will happen? Upanad will become just a sandhi. Tell me, what is that? Upanag. What happened to this? Upanag. Right? Or you get Upanak. See, this sutra is this particular dhatu, nakh dhatu. If nakh dhatu is there, then hakara will be replaced by dakara. That is why this sutra, what current sutra, what we are saying, it will be replaced by dakara, upanad, and upanad. Upanad, not dakara. Sorry. Okay, I mistake. Upanad then becomes upanat. Yeah. I thought it was a gakara. Yes. I wrote correctly I took it as gakara. Upanad then becomes upanad or upanat. Clear? So here this is what the padam is. That is why one sutra is there. Take your Shabda Manjari. Your Shabda Manjari with you? Yes. You see the Shabda. I think the Shabda is the Upanakh must be there.
This
Which Gana, you see that Dhatu Kosha, I don't know. Nakh would be.
It's
Maybe
okay.
fourth Gana.
You search it. I just thought if you know it, just to write it straight away.
Shabda Manjari, if you have, please take it. You see this Shabda,
Upana, it will be there.
it will be there. Lik. I remember it is seeing there somewhere there. In maybe in Strilinga. I think sandal is Strilinga. Maybe why, I don't know. It may be there. Alanta Apamsakalinga Prakarnam. It must be Strilinga. Yes, it is here. I took it. Come on, I have a soft copy. Hard copy you are searching. Okay. Fourth Gana. I thought fourth Gana. Yes. You see, Upanakh is given. Let us chant this. Hakarantaha Strilingaha Upanakh Shabdaha. Strilinga. Why Strilinga? We don't know. Upanad, Upanahau, Upanagaha. Upanaham, Upanahau, Upanagaha. Upanaha, Upanadbyam, Upanadbihi. You see 3 2 3 3, what happens? Upanad. Pada, it becomes Padam, that is important. Padantakara replaced by Dakara, Dakara becomes Dakara becomes Dakara only. You have to apply Jaswati number 2. Hakara replaced by Dhakara, Dakara by Jaswati number 2 becomes Dakara. Upanadbyam. Marudbyam, if you know thoroughly, all these things are understood. What about the other? These first 5 are? So there, which is Yachibam? Sarvanamasthana? Other than Sarvanamasthana. Other than. So you have to mark like this. You have to mark. If you can do one chart like that, you can do. Okay. This who have just amount. Even I can do this there. Nice the chart. Parano, the will be nice. To show Sarvanamasthana. It is already it is there here. The same format. Easy, useful also. Here. This we have to color it. This first 5 places. And Bha we have to color it. And this 3 we have to color. And this. Starting from 2, 3 up to everything is up to 7, 3 is Asarvanamasthana. Right? And accepting this, that is 3 2 3 3, 4 2 4 3, 5 2 5 3, 7 3. They Pratipadikam get the Sanya, Bha Sanya. Right? So therefore, there it is Padanta Vidya doesn't apply. Here it is apply. Okay. Upanahe, Upanadbyam, Upanadbyaha. Upanagaha, Upanadbyam, Upanadbyaha. Upanagaha, Upanahoho, Upanaham. Upanahi, Upanahoho, Upanatsu. If any other the Pratipadikam is there with the Hakara, how do you decline that? Any other Pratipadikam, other than Nakh, how do you decline? Huh? What's that? Any other Pratipadikam ending with Hakara, how do you decline? You have to apply Utsarga. Dattvam will happen. Dattvam, remember. That's why I give the example. Takara, yes. This is only one dhatu, this exception. For the other cases, it is only Dattvam. If you go to Pullinga, I think Lik dhatu is there. Lik is Pullinga. I don't know why Lik is Pullinga. Lik means adding Pip Pratyaya denotes the Karta, the one who licks. Lik. Madhulik. So, lit becomes lit. How it becomes lit? Not lit lakara, okay? What is lit? How do you get lit? Hakara replaced by? And then Then you get what? Lid. After that?
Like rat.
What is the sutra? What? When you apply Jashtavidhi, remember always option is there. Option at the end. 8-4. One more sutra is there. Replaced by kar letter. Padanta jal replaced by kar letter is optional. Therefore, two forms. Yes, avasana. Va avasane. Always lid or lid. Both two forms will be there. Okay, because that is avasana is optional. So replacement of the jal letter by the char letter is optional. So therefore, so you will have two forms. Even that is why in Upanag also we have two forms. Upanat or Upanad. Okay, that is Padanta Avasana. Is it clear? Okay, Nakodaha is done. You see, you start reading Sutra on your own, you will understand. Here he has given the procedure, steps you see. Upanag, that Su goes away by this Sutra. I didn't tell so far that what this Sutra is. We will see that when we see Subandha section. By this Sutra. In fact, it's difficult to read now. You read? Al Abhyam Dirga Sutisya Praktam Hal. Better don't read. Just say Su goes away. Lopaha is a Kamtas Anuvrutti. Su Lopaha. You can just remember Sulopaha Vidhi. Sulopa Vidhi. Su becomes Lopa, therefore Sulopa Vidhi. Not Sulabha Vidhi. The Vidhi is not Sulabha. Sulabha is easy. It is Durla. It is difficult. But you can remember Sulopa. Then what happens? Then it becomes Padam. Then applying Nahodaha, the Sutra becomes Upanad. Then Jalam Jashonte, Jashtavidhi, Dakara. Then Vashari. Iti Vaikalpikam. Vashari. Vashari is the, no, that I think the mistake. 8-4 is not Vashari. Va Avasane, this is a typo. 8-4-56 you see. Va Avasane it will be there. There is no Vashari. It's a mistake. Okay.
How do you know whether it's mistake or not? You are encouraging us to read on our own, and then now and then you say this.
You see the sutra number is given 8456. You see that sutra pata, you will not find that sutra. It's a mistake. Vashari, it is in 8-3 section. We are going to see. When you see, you will understand. And this is Vashari by mistake he has given. Here Va Avasana it must be. Maybe if you click this, it will go to the right place. It go to Va Avasana. You see now it is wrong. Okay. You can make out now. Everything is given. Ishvara given.
It's good you are giving us these tips.
Okay. One more example is given. Nak plus ta pratyaya. Nak plus ta pratyaya. Here Hakara followed by Jal letter. Hakara is replaced by Dakara by this sutra Nahodaha. Then Dakara. Okay. This then what will happen to this Dakara? Takara. 8-40, which we are going to see. So you get Dakara followed by Dakara. Then what will happen? Dakara by followed by Jashta Sandhi. So Nad. So you get Nadha. Nadha is that which is bound. Naddaha. Naddaha, Baddaha, same. Bandhani. Okay, done. We have done spent a lot of time on this simple sutra, but anyway, it's you will remember. Then the next one is, understand? We'll move to the next one. Ahastaha, I don't think it's important, but let me see. For one, I think Ahastaha not required. Now not required. It is for the Bru Dhatu. So Agastaha, leaving it now, we'll come back to that later when we see Tinganta. Latlakara. Okay. So 8-35, skip that, not required. Next one is not Jalam Jashanti, that comes later. Before that, you have to read the sutra. Read now. Raja Shamshaha. Okay. Vrascha, Brasja, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Rajacha, Shamshaha. This is all one word, okay? What vibhakti is that? Shashti. Shashti Bhagavachanam. You know, here, what is this? Cha And what is this? Sha. These things you know, it is all dhatu.
At the end of the
At the end is?
at the end of is cha or is cha.
Yes, chakara anta and shakara anta. That is what meaning. What is cha? One more chakara. Cha is there. What does that mean? Anyway, we'll see that. I think I told you this. Cha. Anyway, chakaranta dhatu. Okay, chakaranta dhatu. There are some chakaranta dhatu. Like what? One dhatu you said. Tell me. It's okay. Gacha. It's gam dhatu actually. Prich dhatu. Prich. Chakaranta dhatu. And murch. Murchati. Faint. Vach is not. Murch. Prich. All these are dhatu. And shakaranta dhatu. Ending with shakara. Nash. Vish. All these are. Will be replaced by Muddani Shakara. So 6-1 you know. In fact, you can start reading sutras on your own now. Any no new sutras also will be easy. Now, Padanta Jali, our expectation. Padanta Jali. Okay, now read the Sutrartha. Keeping it for vacation?
It's just that we need 3 vacations for everything.
Everything is to vacation. We need at least 3 vacations for everything.
Okay. Vrasht, Brast, Srij, Mrij, Yaj, Raj, Braj, Etesham Shabdanam, Shakaranta Shabdanam, Chakaranta Shabdanam cha, Jali Pare Padante cha, Shakaraha Adeshah Bhavati. Right? These Shabdas, he says Shabdas, because we are going to add some pratyaya and then it becomes a Shabda. It could be at the end of the padam or followed by jal. Then Shakara Adeshah Bhavati. Now, one small question. Suppose if one example you take Yaj. Yaj followed by jal, let us say, jal letter. Ta pratyaya. Yaj plus ta. Now, applying this rule, what will happen? We'll come to that later. Don't go to Samskrtam. Yes, Samskrtam is happen. I should take some. Yaj will be, which is, what is Adesha? What is Asani? What is Adesha? Jakara is Sani. Adesha is? Adesha is Shakara. Muddani Shakara. Yes. Now, all these are in Shashti Bhakti. Vrascha, Braja, Sraja, Mraja, Raja, Braja, Cha, Sham is there. It means, will you replace the whole Yaj by Shakara? The bus example, remember. The last person sitting in the last seat, he has to get up. That is what the sutra is, and paribhasha is, alontyasya. We'll talk about that later. I'm just saying, this is what that paribhasha is. Alontyasya sthane eva karyam bhavati. Antyasya alaha, alaha is shashti bhakti. Antyasya alaha sthane. You can always add that. That is a sthani. By this paribhasha only. That last seat in the bus, remember. That is the example. That paribhasha. Last seat, what is it? We have to name it. Bus seat example, okay. Bus seat paribhasha. This is alontyasya, okay. We will see that paribhasha. There are some more paribhashas are there. We have to see those paribhashas together. Now, let us take vrasht udaharanam. Vrasht plus tum pratyaya. Already we have seen this tum context, twa context, and yes, and those contexts we have seen. And tak, tavatu. Vrasht plus tum, what will happen? Chakara followed by jal letter. So, chakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara, Vrash. Then this tavarga, which is in contact with Murdanya Shakara, what will happen? Tutvam. Can you all understand, or you want me to type? Similarly, Braj plus Trich Pratyaya. You take another Pratyaya, Trich. What Pratyaya? Trich. What is this Pratyaya? Trich. Doer. Kartru. Yes. Remember, Trich Pratyaya. So, Braj plus Trich, what will happen? Something, okay. It becomes Braj, okay. One more sutra is a Skogho that we will see later. For this sutra, we need to know that. We will see that later. 8 to 29. That is, leave that out. Example. Srij plus, that also you have to see one more example. So all the sutras will bring one sutra. So it is difficult if you go there. So this is enough. Okay. This 2 sutra, if required, I will teach you later. Now time not there, so not required. Then Yaj plus Trich, this simple example. Jakara is replaced by Mudani Shakara, then Shtutum happens, you get Eshta. Okay, this is one Prach example. Chakara on the Dhatu. Prach plus Tum becomes, this Chakara is replaced by Shakara. So Prash and Tu. Then Shtutva Sandhi, Tavarga in contact with Shakara becomes Prashtum. What happened to this Chakara? You see here, the Chakara. What happened to the Chakara? What happened to that Chakara? Plus Tum.
I think it was taught to
Adarshanam bhavati. See, suppose if I write like this.
It's there, but it's not visible.
No. It's not there, not visible. It's not there, it's here, it's not visible. It is there, it's not visible. When Chakara follows Rasva Ach, what will come? We have seen all these things a minute. What is it? Tukkagama. In the Sandhi chart, the last one, Tukkagama Sandhi you see. So, you get Prat. Then Shutva happens. Prach. This is how you get Prach. Now, Chakara goes away. What will happen to this Takara, to Tukkagama? That also goes away. Nimitta Apaya, Nimitika Apayam. If you remove the cause, effect goes away. Understand? So, Tukkagama Sandhi is there in the chart. You see that example. What example I given that? The last one, Tukkagama Sandhi. Number Checha. Checha. Checha, you can, it's a simple sutra. What is Che? What is Che? Saptami. Yes, following what? Saptami means follows. Follows Rasva, which is comes as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. 6171, you see Rasvasya is there. Rasvasya. Right? 6171, Rasvasya. So Rasvasya means what? Rasva followed by Che. Right? Rasva followed by Che means Chakara. Rasva is what? What does it mean, Rasva? Huh? Vowel. How do you know it is vowel?
because vowels can be Hrasva.
Vowels only can be. Yes, what is that? Ukalo Jasvadriga Plutaha. After that. No. Ukalo Jasva Dirga Plutaha. Ukalaha Ach Rasva Dirga Plutaha. After that. You are missing one. Achascha, I told Paribhasha. Wherever Rasva is there, that is Ach only. In the place of Ach only, Sani, Radesha will happen, right? So, Rasva means Achaha Stani. Rasva Achaha. That is Stani. When followed by Chi. What happened to that? Tukkagama it gets. So, Rasvasya comes as Anuvritti for this sutra from the previous sutra. For this sutra, this Rasvasya comes as Anuvritti, and Tukkagama also comes as Anuvritti. Therefore, Rasva Ach will get Tukkagama. So, you get Rikshat. Example in this. Our example is Prach. It gets Tukkagama, Takara. Then by Shutta Sandhi, Takara will be replaced by Chakara. It is Shutta Sandhi. Now, Sampratanam happens when you follow Yak Pratyaya. Only, a Kit Pratyaya, not a Kit. Now, Prach plus, our example is Tum. This is not a Kit, therefore no Samprasaran. So here what happens? Cha is followed by chakaranta dhatu followed by jal. So therefore cha will be replaced by shakara. So when chakara goes away, what happens to the tukkakama? That also goes away because that is a nimitta for bringing tukkakama. When the nimitta itself goes away, that goes away. So therefore you get presh. Clear? This is given, becomes presh plus 2 is presh stutvam preshtum. This is the form you get. How can you write? Which one?
The replacement of shakara and then the nimitta for tukkakama goes. Like how to formulate.
This, see the miscellaneous rule, it is given. In the chart, I gave a printout, physical printout I gave you. Just see that. I'll show you that also. It is under miscellaneous rule. Many rules we have seen, okay. In the miscellaneous rule related to tak, tavatu, pratyaya, in that context, you see. See, so many examples are given. If you open this, you will see. This is given to you. We have seen this chutva sandhi. I mean, kutva sandhi, choko kuku. All the examples. No,
This is sent.
yeah, already given. I given printout of this.
No, in our printout is just
This is
old
updated
version.
we have.
This one we don't have printout.
What is that you are having? No. What is the name?
Miscellaneous rules and two. The first one can only judge.
We have
Sandhi chart? You are having Sandhi chart?
we have only one example.
Is it Sandhi chart or not? No.
Miscellaneous.
Okay.
The printout. This is we don't have the full form. We don't have.
Full form, 1 minute. You don't have this?
This we have.
This we have.
Okay. Then
Old version.
this is updated one.
This is we don't.
With a lot of other examples given. Because different stages evolution, okay. First stage, that time when I taught you the Tavatu Pratyaya. Later I taught you with regard to the Sup Pratyaya. So, second one. Okay. So, in this context we have seen. So, Chavarga replaced by Kavarga letter we have seen in this. This chart is important. Keep this. So many examples are given. You see how many examples?
Can you send us this one?
Not sent. Every document I have already sent you. Okay, anyway, I can send you again, no problem. Then in Vrashya Brajja, you see, this I have given many examples. There the same, prach plus tum, prashtum, everything is given. Samprasanam, huh? Which one? Yaj, you get ishta. Yaj. Yaj becomes ishta.
But it should be followed by
Kit pratyaya. Condition is when you follow the kit pratyaya. Okay. When kit pratyaya happens, then only samprasaranam happens. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, here prach, tum, samprasaranam doesn't happen. Suppose if it is prach plus tva, prishtva it is. Clear? There pra becomes pr. All of you follow, understand? Or
I just wanted one sentence to write about this Russian student to remember what you're saying. That's Prashta, then
what sentence you want? When chakara is replaced by shakara, tukkakama goes away. That goes away. That's it. It is. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayam. That is what you want? Okay. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayam. When, okay. You can write nimitta apaye, naimittika apayam. Nimitta apaya. Apaya means removal. Removal. Yeah. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayah. When chakara is replaced by mudanya shakara, then the tukkagama, which is the resultant of chakara, that also goes away because by this common logic. Common logic, yeah, paribhasha. Nimitta apaya, naimittika apaya. This is a sentence. Okay. You can write story later. Okay, now this, I think this much explanation is given because we have seen this, so many examples have been given, we have seen this. So if we spend too much time again now in this, whatever we have spent before, what is it in use of that? We have to move on forward. Okay, so Vrashya, Srija, Mrija, this is done. That is 8 to 36. So in this section, starting from Chogo Kuhu, Odaha, Dadir Datorgaha, Va Druha Mukha Shnukashnikam, Nahodaha, Agastaha, it is for the Dhatu, Bru Dhatu, we will see later when we see the Lakaras. Then 36, 8 to 36, up to that we saw. Yeah, clear? Any doubt in this? Okay. The next one will be this a new sutra which I will introduce maybe next class. This is sometimes some examples it is applicable. This one Vartika is there, but also we will see.
We don't have in our book.
Not important also. Okay. Yes.
Did you update the index with this?
Not it. Index it is here. Sutra Suchi. After that you have to apply update.
So far this would be 76.
76 so far. Okay. Chogo Kuho is 71. Hodaha is 72. Then 76 sutras we have done. Okay.
Then is the
Dade Datorgaha 73. Va Druha Maghashnukashniham 74. Then Nahodaha. Then the last one we saw. Okay, we'll stop here. Please go through all the sutra tomorrow. You have to stay in. Yeah. And this miscellaneous rule you want, I'll send you that. Already I sent. All the documents are through mail, in fact, before. Anyway, I'll send you, no problem. You take a printout and keep it with you. Or I'll give printout. You can collect from the office. You can have it, the latest one.
If it's only one sheet, it can be problem.
Hmm?
If it's only one sheet per person, I think in
Not one sheet actually. It is.
two or three. So
It is elaborate. I mean, many pages are there. Updated version, 5 pages. Yeah, back and forth. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Here you can see Vadrugamukha, the example given with Tavatu Pratyaya. I gave example with Ta Pratyaya, Tavaktu also is given. So in Ta Tavatu many examples we have seen. We spend a lot of time actually on all the derivation of that. So already base has been given. In fact, we should just in one class we should be able to just walk through 10 sutras, 10, 15 sutras. Anyway. Second round. No second round. We have to move forward. No second round. Next, after the when you come after the break, we'll start with the lakaras.
No, sir. Like sir said, like.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Asya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.